Now on the Health Watch, as we head into the peak season for dengue, right here, the U.S. health officials say that there is some reason to be optimistic.
And CBS News Miami's Cristian Benavides reports that cases of the viral infection are actually trending down after 3 years of them steadily rising. At Miami-Dade Mosquito Control Headquarters, there's cautious optimism that this year's dengue season could buck the trend in steady increases in cases since 2022.
At Miami-Dade Mosquito Control Headquarters, there's cautious optimism this year's dengue season could buck the trend, a steady increase in cases since 2022. Lab technician Yadira Diaz is on the front lines fighting against the mosquito-borne illness. Last year, the county saw the most U.S. cases.
The work that we do is identification of mosquito in larvae.
They spray areas where mosquitoes may be present, lay mosquito traps, and study the carriers of the dengue virus, the Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. Inside this bag are larvae collected by pest control crews in Miami-Dade County.
It's real. There are so many people who get sick.
But this year, dengue cases have dropped dramatically throughout the entire region, with 70% fewer cases in the Americas than last year, according to the Pan American Health Organization.
So far, there are 3.5 million. Last year, same time, it was more than 13 million cases.
As of mid-August, Florida had 138 cases. For all of 2024, the state had more than 1,000. California had seen at least 65 cases this year. The state reported more than 700 last year. Most cases are travel-related and not being transmitted locally. The division chief of mosquito control in Miami-Dade County says while those numbers are headed in the right direction, they're not letting their guard down. In August, Hillsborough County, Florida, reported a locally acquired case.
We've not reached the high transmission time yet.
Here, dengue typically sees the most cases in late September and early October. Cristian Benavides, CBS News, Miami.